I do get a lot of questions on how I do my space blends. This is just a really quick way of doing this hairstyle. It can be very casual like this, like super quick. I only have 30 minutes to get ready, or you can make it really clean for a girls' night out.
This is also another easy way that you can use your Marcel iron. You want to make sure that your client has clean hair. This one has already been washed and round brushed since she does have a perm, so it's going to be easier to work with. These are the tools I'm going to be using. Most importantly, I'm going to be using my Babyliss, or however you say it, Marcel iron, and I'm going to lock it so it's easier to manipulate. This is the Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Define Oil that I like to use on my curly clients or mannequins. Then I have the Joico Defy Damage Protectant Shield. I never used to use this, and I have been using it on my own hair, which is really thick and kind of coarse, and it does make a big difference. You also need hairspray. This is just what I had available. The gel, also what I just had available. And then I'm not going to use it right now because I'm on a mannequin, but this is one of my favorite edge controls. And we also need water. So to get started, I am parting my doll. I'm choosing a diagonal part, but you can choose whatever suits your client best.
And then I always like to tie, because I like it to be really smooth, I always tie her hair away from her face. As you can see. And I part it, I just try to make it symmetrical, so I just part it like outside her ear.
So the key to this hairstyle is back combing and combing through so it has a nice effect. You may have to redo your buns a couple times. It takes a while to get them pretty similar. That was basically me seasoning the hair so I can go ahead and get started on my curls. We part the hair here again just so that it is easier to curl, and that way we're distributing even heat throughout the hair. It may seem a little messy, but I do have this under control. Another thing is that with this curl pattern, it does take both of your hands to go ahead and achieve the look. So me, just because of experience of curling my own hair, I do always pull the strand away from the scalp just so I can prevent any injuries. But you always still do want to go ahead and have your comb handy. If you're gonna go ahead and get longer strands, just make sure that they are thinner so that you're still distributing that heat evenly. You just want to follow the same process until you're done and then continue up until the next section. So yeah, that was my finished product and one of my favorite go-to hairstyles.
The reason why we did it like this is she has short, thick hair, but she has a blunt haircut. So this is just kind of like gives that illusion that she has some layers when she does it.